Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Daniel. I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English slowly, simply, and easily. In today's video, you will watch Bob and Lisa. Bob and Lisa are university friends. Classes are over and they're both very hungry and thirsty. They want to go to a nearby store together. Will they only go to one store? And here is today's question. What did Lisa get for dessert? Listen carefully and find the answer. Are you ready? Let's go.
Today's class was really long.
Yes, it was. I'm so glad class is over.
Me too. I'm really tired right now.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, but I'm a little hungry.
Really? Did you have lunch today?
No, I skipped it. I was too busy.
I understand. I'm a little hungry too. I didn't eat much for lunch.
Really? I want to eat and drink something. I'm also very thirsty.
What would you like to drink?
Maybe iced tea or water? Something cold?
That sounds nice. I'd like a cold drink too.
Is there somewhere we can get something? Is there a grocery store nearby?
Yes, there's one nearby. Shall we go?
That's a great idea.
It's very close. We can walk.
Really? Where?
Right over there. Do you see it?
I see it now. Let's go.
Okay. We can get both food and drinks there.
Perfect. I want a drink and something to eat.
Me too. I want to get a sandwich.
That sounds good. I love sandwiches.
Me too. They're easy to eat and so tasty. And they're affordable for the taste. Yes, I agree with you.
Okay, let's go and see what they have.
Let's go.
Okay, we're here. Let's go inside.
Wow, there's so much stuff here.
Yes, this market has a lot of products. What do you want to look at first?
Let's look at drinks first. Where are they?
Drinks are this way toward the back of the market.
Oh, I see them. What a lot of drink options.
What kind of drink do you want?
I want something cold.
What would you like?
I want iced tea. I love iced tea.
Iced tea is a great choice. I like iced tea too, but today I want something different.
What are you getting?
I'm going to get orange juice today.
Orange juice. That sounds good. Cold and sweet.
Yes, perfect for today. Okay, let's look at food now.
Okay. I wonder where the sandwiches are.
Probably on the other side. Let's check.
Look, the sandwiches are here.
Yes, there are so many kinds of sandwiches, and
This one looks good. What's in it?
it has turkey and cheese.
I love turkey and cheese. This looks really delicious.
It really is delicious. I get it all the time.
Okay, I'll get this one. What do you want, Bob?
I can't decide. There are too many options.
What about the chicken salad sandwich?
That looks good. I like chicken salad. Okay, I'll get that one.
Great. Do you want anything else?
Let me check out the chips too. They look really good.
Yes, they do look good. Do you want to get some?
Yes, I'll get a bag of chips too. It'll go great with the sandwich.
Good idea.
Okay, I think we've got everything. Let's go to the checkout.
Yes, let's go. Of course, you go first. I'll wait here.
Hi. I'd like to get these, please.
Of course, let me see. 1 chicken salad sandwich, 1 orange juice, and 1 bag of chips.
Yes, that's everything.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, I'd like a bag.
Okay. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
Cash, please. What's the total?
The total is $8.50.
Here you go. $10 and
Thank you very much. Here's your change.
got it. The change is correct, thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks. Take care.
Hi, I'd like to get these two, please.
Of course, one turkey and cheese sandwich and one iced tea. Is that everything?
Yes, that's everything.
Would you like a bag?
No, thank you. I don't need a bag.
Okay, the total is $6.25.
Here you go. $7.
Thank you very much. Your change is 75 cents.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, I would like the receipt.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Thanks. Okay, I'm done too. Let's head out, Bob.
Okay, we got everything. The sandwich is good and warm.
Great. How's the orange juice?
Really good. Cold and sweet. Perfect for today. How's your iced tea?
So cold and refreshing. I really love iced tea.
The sandwiches at that grocery store were really good.
Yes, they were. I really liked that market.
Me too. The prices were very reasonable too.
Yes, we can go again next time.
But you know what? I also want something sweet.
Something sweet. Like what?
Cookies or maybe a donut. A sweet snack.
That sounds really good.
Should we go to another grocery store? The one up ahead has great desserts.
Which dessert do you want most?
I really want cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. You?
I'm not sure yet. I want to see what they have first.
Good idea. Let's walk. It's a nice day for a walk anyway.
The weather really is beautiful today. Look, we're almost there already.
That was fast. Let's go in.
I hope they have good desserts.
This place is known for their sweets.
You're doing great so far. Let's pause for a moment and review some important words. In America, people say grocery store or simply the market. Both mean the same thing, a store where you buy food and drinks. Bob and Lisa went to two different grocery stores today. In a grammar note, Lisa said to the cashier, "Yes, I would like the receipt." The phrase "I would like" is used to politely ask for something. I would like a coffee. I want a coffee. I would like the bill, please. Can I have the check? I would like sounds more polite and natural than can I have. Now pay attention and remember today's question was, what did Lisa get for dessert? The answer is coming up. Listen very carefully. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even a single word is perfect. Writing your answer in English is a great way to improve your English more effectively. What happens next is very interesting. Bob and Lisa are going into the second store and Lisa's going to pick a dessert. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's continue.
This market looks a little different from the first one.
Yes, it's different. Look at those desserts over there. There are so many options.
Wow, there really are a lot of desserts here.
Look, the cookies are here. They have chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies, those are a really popular American dessert.
Yes! Chocolate chip cookies. I'm definitely getting these.
Great choice. They really do look delicious. They must be very fresh.
Yes, they look very fresh. So what do you want, Lisa?
I want to get a muffin too. There are blueberry muffins over there.
The blueberry muffins look fresh and delicious too.
Yes, they look really good. I love blueberries.
So we've both found our desserts.
They have coffee here too. Did you see?
Yes, I love the coffee here. Should we get some? Do you want any?
No, thank you. I still have my iced tea. But get some if you want.
Good idea. I'll get a coffee. It'll go great with the cookie.
Yes, coffee and cookies go so well together.
Yes, a great combination.
Do you want it hot or cold?
I want it hot. I love hot coffee. I'll get a cookie and a hot coffee. And you have a muffin. Do you want anything else?
No, that's enough for me. Let's pay.
Let me pay this time and
No, I'll pay this time. You paid last time when we got fast food.
thank you so much.
Wait here. I'll pay right now.
You're so kind, Lisa. Really.
Hi, I'd like to get these, please.
Of course. Let me see. 1 chocolate chip cookie, 1 blueberry muffin, and 1 hot coffee. Is that everything?
Yes, that's everything. The cookie and coffee are for my friend. I'm paying.
Okay. What size coffee? Small, medium, or large?
Bob, what size do you want?
Medium.
Of course. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
The total is $11.75.
Here you go. $15.
Thank you very much. Your change is $3.25.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
No,
Here you go. Your medium coffee is ready at the machine over there.
I see it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Be careful. The coffee is very hot.
I've got it. I'll be careful. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Come again.
Okay, I got everything. Bob, here's your cookie.
Thank you, Lisa. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try the cookie.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite dessert.
My muffin looks really good too. So fresh and soft.
Take a bite. How is it?
Wow, it's delicious. The blueberries are really wonderful. I'm so happy.
My cookie is perfect too. The chocolate chips are so delicious. And it goes great with the hot coffee.
Today was really fun, wasn't it?
Yes, it really was. We got so many things today.
We really did get a lot. Let me think. What did we get at the first market?
I got a chicken salad sandwich, an orange juice, and a bag of chips from the first grocery store.
And I got a turkey and cheese sandwich and an iced tea from the first market.
Right? And then at the second grocery store, I got a chocolate chip cookie and a hot coffee.
And I got a blueberry muffin from the second market.
We both got a lot. Maybe a little too much.
Maybe, but everything was delicious.
Yes. And you paid for my cookie and coffee. Thank you again, Lisa.
You're welcome. That's what good friends do.
Next time I'll pay. I promise.
Okay, it's a deal.
I had a really great time today.
Me too. I had so much fun. Do you want to do this again?
Yes, definitely. Let's go to a market again next week.
That sounds great. Next time, I want to try different things. Maybe new snacks?
Me too. Next time I want to try a fried chicken sandwich. I saw it today but didn't get it.
Yes, a fried chicken sandwich must be really good. I'm sure you'll love it.
I can't wait. I'm already excited.
Me too. And maybe we can try a different kind of cookie. There could be peanut butter cookies.
Great idea. Peanut butter cookies are delicious too.
And next time, I'm going to try the chocolate chip cookie.
Definitely try it. You'll love it. You know, Lisa, today was a really beautiful day. I had so much fun.
I had a lot of fun too. We went to 2 markets and got so many great things.
The sandwiches at the first grocery store were really good, and the cashiers were so kind.
Yes, they were very polite and helpful. The second market was great too. The desserts were amazing.
The chocolate chip cookie was so delicious, I was reminded once again that it's my favorite dessert. How was your muffin?
It was delicious and so fresh. The blueberry muffin was really a wonderful choice. I'm so happy.
Next time I'm going to try a peanut butter cookie too. Today taught me something. Spending time with friends makes everything better.
I completely agree. Going to the market alone is ordinary, but going together turns it into an adventure.
Exactly. And we suggest new things to each other. Without you, I probably wouldn't have gone to the second grocery store.
And without you, I wouldn't have seen the chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to try them next time.
See, it's better together. Next time, maybe we'll even go to a third market.
3 markets? That might be too many.
Yes, you're right. 2 markets is enough. But so much fun.
Yes, so much fun. Okay, we should get going now. It's getting late.
Okay, we should head home. It's getting a little late.
You're right. Okay, let's head home.
Thanks for today, Lisa. It really was a fun day.
Thank you too, Bob. I had a great time with you.
See you at school tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
Take care.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let's quickly review some key words from today's story. The first word, cookie, a small sweet baked treat. Cookies come in many flavors, but the most popular in America is the chocolate chip cookie, just like the one Bob got today. Daniel. The second word, change. The money you get back when you give more than the price. Bob gave the cashier $10 and got $1.50 in change. The third word, receipt. A small piece of paper showing a list of items you purchased and their prices. Bob took his receipt, but Lisa didn't take a receipt at the second market. Now let's go back to our question. What did Lisa get for dessert? Did you find the answer? Write your answers in the comments. I will check them. And tell me, how often do you go to the grocery store? What's your favorite dessert from a market? I'd love to know. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more slow and easy English conversations like this, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. That way you'll be notified when new lessons are published. I'll be here for you often with a new story.